Hey guys, this is Sharun here from 24/7 Techie and this is the Mi Box 4K Indian retail unit. So guys, before moving forward with the unboxing and setup and initial impressions, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of future videos like this. Now that you've done that, let's get started. On the front of the box it says that it's YouTube, Hotstar, Netflix, Prime Video, Z5 and a lot of other things. It says Hotstar, not Disney Plus, so most probably the boxing or the manufacturing of this box or the unit is before the Hotstar branding changed. Now let's just unbox it. This is the Mi Box 4K. It's very slim. It's very nice, well built. Very well built. What all do we have here? So yeah, so audio out, HDMI, USB and power. HDMI cable, pretty good. A power adapter, and this is the Mi remote. These are the new remote that they have launched. They launched it a while back, but this is the new one. So Netflix and Prime Video, Google Assistant button, and very smooth remote. No cell, and I don't think there are cell inside the box. Nothing. So yeah, we will have to put in cell by ourselves. Okay, I will have to look for that. So the speciality of Mi Box 4K is that it's 4K HD streaming player. It supports all these services and a lot more in the future, I hope so. It's running on Android 9.0 Android TV and it's HDR10 compatible. It's Chromecast built-in. It's actually a Chromecast Ultra built-in, so 4K streaming and gameplay as well. 64-bit quad-core processor, Cortex A53 processor. Let's connect this to a screen and see what it does. Let's cut. So yeah guys, this is a first boot up of the Mi Box 4K and it is typical Android TV boot up animation. So nothing changed over here. Yep, connected. English. It's a 600 MB update. Go home. So Netflix, it looks like Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube and Play Movies is pre-installed. We can add apps. Successfully logged in, and it has successfully logged in here as well. So it's good to see that this is working. I was rewatching 2.5 Men Big Bang Theory. We'll go into Big Bang Theory. So it is showing that it is running on HD 1080p. This display is capped at 1080p because I don't have a 4K TV in my place. And we will go to Netflix now. So guys, we are in Netflix. It took a couple of minutes to sign in. I was watching this amazing documentary from Michelle Obama. I think yes, the quality is good. So I'll try to cast a photo. So cast, yes, the TV is shown and it is casted. So yeah, good to see that. So this is a sunrise in Delhi nowadays. So not a lot of pollution. So the cast is working. So like this is one of the photos that I took. And Android system update is available. So download is finished. So yeah, cast is also working. Good to see. We start now. Sure. I'll come back after the update is done. So some advantages that Mi Box 4K has over Fire Stick is that it can stream in 4K. It supports Chromecast. It has the App Store built in. So you do have a lot of apps to play around with. So now that the update is finished, we'll go and jump into the settings. It is running on Android 9 March 5th security patch. That is good. So these are the apps that are already pre-installed and these are Mi Box recommended. So overall I am liking the UI and the box so far for 3,500 rupees. It's a very good thing. It's a very good package. It's a very good deal. I will be testing this out, comparing it to the Fire Stick, and then coming out with a review soon. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so that you get notified for our future videos. And the comparison is coming soon, the review is coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, see ya.